doesn't matter where you start in life, it's where you end up. And today, I'm going to go over a few signs that you are going to be more successful than your friends, even if you're not right now. The first sign that you are going to be more successful than your friends is that you grew up poor, or a little bit disadvantaged. Growing up poor, in my opinion, is an incredible advantage. Now, at the time, it doesn't feel like it, right? It sucks. It's like, damn, I want to be able to buy things. I want to be able to go places. When you grow up poor, you're going to go one of two ways. You're either going to accept your current situation and state and think to yourself, I'm never going to be able to achieve anything. And guess what? You're not. Or you are going to say, I am going to be successful despite my situation. You are going to develop a hunger and a killer mentality and instinct to do what it takes in order to achieve whatever you need to achieve. You are not going to allow your current situation to dictate your future success. Second sign that you're going to be way more successful than your friends is that you're motivated by more than just stuff and material possessions. You're motivated by something bigger, a higher power. Your motivation is internal. You don't need the external, the material possessions, the cars, the watches, the money, right? You don't need that in order to get up every day. That is not your driving force. You're driven by a purpose. You've got something that you want to accomplish, you want to achieve, because it's going to satisfy something deep inside of you. And that satisfaction is not material possessions and money. Now, one of the byproducts to being successful is that you have the ability to buy stuff, but that is not the motivating factor. It's about your purpose, which brings me to the third reason why you're going to be way more successful than your friends. You've got a goal, you've got a vision, you've got something you want to achieve. What is your purpose? Not your mom's, not your dad's, not your weird Uncle Barry or your girlfriend or your wife's. Yours. What is your goal? What is your North Star? What is your purpose? Now, I know that a lot of people are like, God, I just don't know. Guys, there's a course that I took that I absolutely loved over at Skillshare. They are today's video sponsor. And I want each and every one of you, even if you think you know what it is, I want you to take this course because it's free right now for those of you who hit our special link. It's by Emma Gannon. The class is called Discovering Success, 7 exercises to uncover your purpose, your passion, and your path. Free. Gentlemen, you can take Emma's course for free. For the first 1,000 of you who hit our special link down in the description, you're going to get a 30-day free trial to Skillshare. But do not wait. They always do sell out, or I should say run out of these free trials. Do not wait. Take it, grab it, because there are a few other courses I'm going to mention a little bit later in the video that are also incredibly critical for you being successful, in my opinion. Which brings me to the next sign that you are going to be way more successful than any of your friends, is that you are good with people. One of my superpowers is being able to connect with somebody incredibly quick. I'm also very good at reading people. I have the ability to walk into a room, meet somebody, shake their hand, engage with them, and make them feel important. I also can literally talk to anybody. And if you develop your people skills and making sure that you're able to engage with them and connect with them quickly, you're going to be amazed at how many more opportunities you get, not to mention favors. If people like you, you are going to have an easier time achieving whatever you want to achieve. Guys, there's a course also at Skillshare, which I'm going to link to down below, by Alex Lyon that you must take. It's called Conversation Skills, How to Have a Great Conversation with Virtually Anyone. So this course is honestly the best course I've ever seen in terms of small talk and communicating and making that connection quickly. He goes over how to ask better questions, which the truth is that asking good questions is a skill. And if you get good at that, it's going to make the 5F method of conversation a lot easier. I'm telling you, gentlemen, if you want to get better at making small talk with professionals or even spicy senoritas, this course is for you. So I love Skillshare, and I cannot tell you how much Skillshare just as a platform has impacted me and my development, not only just as a person, but also an entrepreneur. They have thousands and thousands of classes across a ton of incredible different genres right now. Of course, they've got courses in like business, entrepreneurship, marketing, UX design, but they also have a ton of courses for creative people, right? How to write, how to draw, painting, photography. I'm telling you, gentlemen, the list goes on and on and on. And the thing that, in my opinion, really sets Skillshare apart from every other platform that I've ever tried is the instructors, right? These are people that are like the pros in whatever area they're actually talking about. They've got thousands and thousands and thousands of courses, all right? Ali Abdaal, he's a YouTuber. Also, Thomas Frank. They both teach courses and master classes in like productivity. Ollie also has a course about how to basically start and grow a YouTube channel from like zero. And the whole course is like you actually going through the lessons and setting it up. By the time the course is over, you literally have a YouTube channel. And he takes a lot of like the mystery and guesswork out of it and dumbs it down to a level that's pretty much easy for anybody to understand. Guys, Skillshare has courses that you are absolutely going to love. And the other thing I just want to mention, something else, another sign that you are going to be successful is that you're curious. And that's the thing with Skillshare. It is for curious, creative people to scratch their creative itch, right? They are always adding new amazing courses. And right now, guys, like I said, if you want to hit that link down below, you're going to get a 30-day free trial to Skillshare for the first 1,000 of you who go through that link. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're looking to take your success to the next level, you gotta hit that link and sign up today. Skillshare is the best. The next sign that you are gonna be way more successful than your friends is that you don't allow fear or that little voice in the back of your head to dictate your actions. Guys, so many dudes, right? They're so fearful of failure or worst case scenario that they never try because A, it's embarrassing to fail, but they're too scared. But if you're somebody that's able to push it down and go forward even though you don't know the outcome, even though you may potentially fail, which the truth is that if you're ever going to be successful, you are going to fail. It's about mitigating the failures and making sure that they're not going to literally ruin you. But if they ruin you, picking your ass back up and moving forward. Gentlemen, you will be successful if you have the ability to quiet that voice because so many people never truly realize their potential. They allow the small, insignificant people that have told them you can't, you shouldn't, you won't, don't try. They allow those people to dictate their action. They allow the little negative voice, that self-talk that we do so often to rule and dictate their actions. Gentlemen, if you have the ability to quiet it, focus, and move forward, you will be successful if you're a hard worker, which is the next sign that you are going to be crazy successful. You have the ability to focus when it's not fun. You have the ability to focus when all of your friends are going out and doing stupid shit. Delayed gratification. If you're somebody that understands that you may have to put off now in order to achieve in the future, or if you're comfortable working hard, gentlemen, you are going to be ahead of so many people, even if they've got more money or they're more talented. Hard work beats talent any day of the week. And if you are somebody that is able to work hard despite the distractions that we're faced so often these days with technology, your friends, all the spicy ass senoritas that you want to be like checking out, gentlemen, you are going to be crazy, nuts, ridiculous successful. The next sign that you are going to be way more successful than your friends is that you invest your time more wisely. What I mean by this is that our time is our most valuable resource, right? We only have so much of it. How you choose to invest it is going to dictate where you end up and how successful you are. If you're somebody that's investing your time looking at TikTok all the time, or your time going out getting drunk and doing stupid shit with your friends, you are not investing wisely. But if you're somebody that invests that time working towards your goal or doing something productive or doing something that's going to better facilitate your body or your mind, you are going to be so much more successful than them. Which brings me to the next sign that you're going to be crazy successful. And that is you are mentally strong. You don't let the small shit bother you. Mental toughness, mental fortitude. This is one of the most undeniable indicators of somebody that is going to be successful because you're going to be able to weather the storm. Life is going to toss you a bunch of shit, a bunch of challenges, right? Life and success, it's a windy ass road with lots of speed bumps and wrong turns and people and spicy senorita flashing boobs, right? You've got to be able to right there, boom. Life's gonna toss you a bunch of crap, right? Hard things, right? But if you are mentally strong, you're gonna be able to endure it. You're gonna be able to weather the storm and you're gonna be able to overcome it. But if you're mentally weak and fragile, right? Something bad happens, which bad stuff always happens, right? It's gonna come at you, it's gonna hit you, and you're gonna fall apart. You're gonna give up. You're gonna stop because you don't want it anymore. You're like, nah, I'm sorry, I'm good. Don't worry about me. I'm just gonna go sit in the corner. Gentlemen, mentally strong people are the successful people that don't sit in the corner. And to wrap this video up, gentlemen, a quote from one of my all-time favorite inspirational figures, Mr. Rocky Balboa. It's not about how hard you hit, it's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. Gentlemen, keep moving forward. You're amazing. You're a warrior. Now go out and get it.